Hi, yeah, so Vicky, official. The first video, quite scared. Doubt it will get many views because not many people know me and that's MSN. And yeah, at the moment, as you can tell, I'm talking to my friends, Connor and John, on MSN. Yeah, my hair is quite short. These are extensions. Yeah, hopefully I'll be making more videos depending on how many views we get. I'll probably still make more anyway. And yeah, girl in school called Ruby. She makes videos too. Her channel is Scene Queen 111. One other thing. And yeah, so you should check her videos out too. And yeah, tell your friends about me. Even though I'm not that interesting. I promise. I will learn. Right? Toodles.